will get the straight, unvarnished information that they need before they take out a loan or open a credit card. It will bring the shadowy deals that caused the financial crisis into the light of day. And it will end taxpayer bailouts of Wall Street firms and give shareholders a say on executive compensation. The need for this reform, by the way, was underscored by the report issued by Ken Feinberg this morning, identifying a number of financial companies that continue to pay out lavish bonuses at the height of the financial crisis, even as they accepted billions of dollars in taxpayer assistance. Second, I signed a law that will improve our ability to crack down on improper payments made by our government. Every year, the government wastes tens of billions of dollars, taxpayer dollars, on erroneous payments to companies that haven't paid their taxes, or to prison inmates, or even to people who died a long time ago. Today, we have the technology to block these payments, and the law I signed will give us new tools to do so. I've set a target to save at least $50 billion by 2012, savings that are more important today than ever because we simply don't have any money to waste. Third, we finally overcame the procedural blockade of a partisan minority in the Senate to restore unemployment insurance for about 2.5 million Americans who are out of work and looking for a job. So taken together, we made enormous progress this week on Wall Street reform, on making sure that we're eliminating waste and abuse in government, and in providing immediate assistance to people who are out there looking for work. But ultimately, our goal is to make sure that people who are looking for a job can find a job. And that's why it's so important for the Senate to pass the additional steps that I've asked for to cut taxes and expand lending for America's small businesses, our most important engine for hiring and for growth. And a small business jobs bill that contains these measures may come up for a final vote in the Senate in the next few days. With this small business bill, we'll set up a new lending fund to help community banks offer small business men and women the loans they need to grow and to hire. We'll help states encourage more private sector loans to small businesses in industries like manufacturing or construction that have been especially hard hit by this recession. We'll expand our most successful small business initiatives and more than double the size of loans our small business owners can take out. And to unlock the growth of our entrepreneurs, we'll finally do what I've been advocating since I ran for president, which is to eliminate capital gains taxes entirely for key investments in small businesses. Now, last night, after a series of partisan delays, the Senate took an important step forward by supporting a lending fund in the overall small business jobs bill. I want to thank Senators Mary Landrieu and George Lemieux for their leadership and advocacy on behalf of the millions of small business people for whom this will make a meaningful difference.